In this video, I'll show you how you can create a drop-down menu on your Wix website. Even though you're a complete beginner and don't have any experience doing this, I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and it's not that hard. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a drop-down menu to your website. But before we get into that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. That would help support me and the channel so that I can keep making these videos. Now, with all of that being said, let's just jump into my PC and then we're going to find out how we can create a drop-down menu on your Wix website. Okay, so here we are on my PC. Now, first of all, you want to make sure to sign into your Wix account and then go to your website and go into the classic Wix editor. So when you're in the Wix editor, all you need to do is click on menus and pages in the top left corner. Once you do that, you'll see your site menu, and this is where you can actually add the drop-down menu on your Wix site. First of all, you want to click on add a folder right there. So you're going to add a folder. I'll just call that a test folder. Then click done. So right now you can see that the test folder will indeed appear right here on your site menu. Now, as of right now, this is a folder, but if you want to create a drop-down menu, all you need to do is click on add page right there, and I'm pretty sure you can also do it here. Can you? Okay, you cannot. So select the folder that you just created, then click on add page right here, and then you can actually give that a name. So I'm going to name this test123. Okay, so right now this will also appear right there, and that's not what we want. We want to create a drop-down menu. So you want to make sure to select this and drag this under the test one, and then click right there and make it a sub page. So right now you just made that a sub page under the test folder. Then once again, all you need to do is click on add page right there, and you can add another one. Okay, so test 200. Don't mind the names I'm giving them. And then once again, drag that under there, and then make sure it is a sub page. Now I'm going to add one more page just to show you that this actually works. So click on done, and there you go. So right now I've created a folder and 3 different sub pages. So if I just click on preview right here, they will send me over to my website. If I then click on test right there, you'll actually find test 123, test 200, and proof. And you can see that they're clickable as well. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to do this. It's pretty easy and it only takes a few minutes. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help support me and the channel so that I can keep making these videos. And yeah, I hope this helps you out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.